Let's say you don't want your TikTok account being suggested to your contacts or Facebook friends, and you don't want any of them to know that you have a TikTok account, and you don't want them like being suggested. So that's what we are going to learn in this video. So let's get started. First of all, go to the profile, and then you have to go here, three dot on the top right corner, go to setting and privacy, go to privacy. From here you have to go in this sync contacts and Facebook friends, and you have to turn it these two button. If you have on, this means your TikTok account, this TikTok account is being suggested to your contacts and your Facebook friend if these two buttons are on. So we have to turn it off. So let's turn it off. So you see these two buttons option are turned off. Yes, from now my TikTok account will not be shown to any my contacts or Facebook friends as a suggestion. So this is how you turn off your TikTok account being suggested to others or to your contacts or Facebook friend.